Welcome to the Extremosity channel. Continuing off from the last segment. Extremosity. We're doing a vehicle inspection, putting everything on the vehicle, any add-ons. Parking brake is separate from the normal brake calipers. It's new on the 2020 Corvette.
Normally they're inside, yeah.
Is that new just in this model?
I think
the previous ones? Okay.
Yeah, because this is always inside. They use the regular brakes to hold the car. This has a separate.
That's cool.
The programming, it's all in the cloud.
Right.
So the only one that's going to have permission to use that is Callaway, because they work directly with GM.
Okay.
So Hennessy's not going to be able to
They gotta get it leaked from somebody or something.
Well, you're not going to be able to leak it, because the reason is they're doing all them self-driving cars now, like Cadillac and all that.
Right.
So they want everything in the cloud, so you can't break the code. So you can't tune these cars unless you have access from GM.
Oh, so you'll be like tuning right, you'll be going right into the cloud and like direct login access with the cloud to even tune it.
Yeah.
Wow. Man.
So they're doing that because, you know, if somebody broke into that and they could take control of somebody's car, it's a safety risk.
Oh, okay, I got you.
So the reason they're doing that is
they're probably,
they can't.
At some point, they're gonna have to buy some type of licenses or something to even get access to those tuning measurements.
Exactly, and they're not just gonna give anybody access to it.
Right.
That's why Callaway already works hand in hand with them. So
yeah,
they're gonna be the only ones that are gonna be able to do it.
Wow. Lifting the car up. We're gonna look at the bottom of this Corvette.
Rain, water, and all that sort of stuff. Penetrating underneath, so that's
Underbody is completely covered.
There's great cooling duct inlets on the grill on both sides. Nice. You can see. Yeah. And it channels the air right fast to dump it onto the calipers and cool them off. Other side as well.
It's gonna be an air duct right there. Cool off the brakes.
And it dumps right.
Mag ride. Suspension.
Funnel that air right up the road.
Air funnels. Down in here.
C51 calipers.
Brakes.
Probably keeps a lot of the moisture off of it. Absolutely. Keeps it sealed up.
Yeah. So oil changes will be relatively simple then, huh?
Yes, it looks like it. But you think mid-engine, you didn't know how there would be anything to get to.
Yeah, and then we have the... And we've got...
Shield here, because you can see the exhaust inside there.
So there you go, folks. You got to see for the first time under the mid-engine C8 Corvette.
So they went with the upgraded wheels, the all black. These are about a $2,500 option for the C8. Get ready to put them on. So it helps stabilize the car a little bit too, or just you in the car.
So it does add some structure,
Right.
but this thing's so stiff. I don't know if it would really have too much of
Have an effect
an
on
impact.
it.
But the biggest impact is on the human.
Right.
Like if you get those 5 points in, you take them things and tighten yourself in them.
So you recommend
Your body's not moving.
you recommend the competition seats then, or if you're doing something like that.
Either the middle seat or the upper seat.
Yeah, I got the middle ones because of a little comfortability with it. Yeah.
So you don't need any of them to put harness bars,
Yeah.
belts in it.
Okay.
When you go around the seats, you can do it. It's just keeping you in the saddle.
Right.
Because you know, you'll watch, you'll see like people on the track, and they're literally trying to lean their body in.
Yeah.
Like, the last thing you want to do is move your eyes when you're on a track.
Right. Yeah.
Stay in the pilot's seat.
Those rivets a little hard to get off.
Yeah,
like
see them things are supposed to be stuck on here. Sometimes they pull off, so I got to pull that out. That's good now. When they get it out, I'll put it back on there.
Hard to see, but they're straight across.
Okay, they need to be widened out a little bit.
Yeah, to be able to fit over there.
Oh, okay.
They just spring load in.
Yeah, that's cool. You just pop them back in. But they just pull right off.
Yeah, I don't know what that. Oh, this is
Yeah, I
the
don't know.
wheel.
Very
Oh yeah, there's gonna be a challenge, all right. I guess you want the SmackDown, man. Nice car, man. Love it. ZR-1. Gorgeous. There's that carbon fiber in front of it.
carbon fiber all the way around.
Carbon fiber rocking down the side.
Did the extra vents on this one. High wing spoiler. Extremosity.